Hey there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to AI Spark. Today, we're going to explore how to create cute, tiny animal animations like these. I'll guide you through the process step by step, so even if you're just starting out, you'll be able to follow along easily. In just 5 simple steps, you'll have a short video ready to publish. Step 1. First, we need to generate some image prompts for our video. I found this image while searching on Google. I think it's super cute, and I want to use it as inspiration for the images we're going to create. We start by heading to ChatGPT. I upload the image I want to use as inspiration and ask ChatGPT to analyze it, describe its details, and then generate 10 unique image prompts that we can use in PicLumen or any other AI image generator. Of course, you can adjust this to any number of images based on your needs. Great. Now that we have our image prompts, we're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Now, we go to any AI image generator you prefer. You can use Midjourney, Leonardo AI, FreePic, or whichever is your favorite. This time, we'll use PicLumen, where you can generate 50 images for free every day. Start by selecting the image model you want to use. Since we want our images to look realistic, we'll go with the PicLumen Realistic V2 model. You can always experiment with different models to see what results you get, but for this, I think this one is a great choice. Next, we need to choose the aspect ratio of the images. This depends on the type of video we're creating. Animations like these are often used for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, so we'll go with a 9:16 ratio. You can also select how many images you want to generate at once. If you are a free user, you can choose between 1 or 2 images. I'll go with 2 images for this example. Then, you paste in the image prompt from ChatGPT and click on this purple button to generate the images. Oh wow, that's super cute. Let's paste in the next image prompt and generate another set. I love it, it's adorable. Continue to generate all the images you need and save the ones you like to your computer. I ended up with these 10 super cute images. Now, we're ready to move on to the next step. Step 3. Now it's time to bring our images to life using an AI video generator. There are many options available, and most work similarly, so just choose the one you prefer. We'll start with Hailuo AI, where you can generate 3 videos for free every day. Click on Create Video. Then click to upload one of the images you created in the previous step. After that, you want to describe what you want to happen in the image. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. For example, simple descriptions like "make the animal move in the hand" or "the animal moves its head" are often enough. You can also choose a camera movement by clicking this little icon. There are several to choose from, but you can also write your own camera description if you like. I'll go with static shot since I want the camera to stay still. After that, you click to generate the animation. It will take a while, but you can continue with the other images while you wait. I will also show how you do this in Vidu. Vidu is great if you need to make animations super quick and for free. They give you 20 credits for free every day when you log in. Click on Image to Video. Then upload one of your images. Describe what you want to animate. Decide on the video resolution. If you choose 720p, it will cost 12 credits, but if you choose the speed option, it will only cost 4 credits and you can generate 5 videos each day. The resolution is very low, but I will show how you can fix this after we have generated the first animation. Click on Create. and wait just a few seconds and your animation is already finished. Download it to your computer. After that, we go to TensorPix to upscale the animation. Click on Enhance and make sure to log in. Click on Video Enhance and upload the animation you just made in Vidu. Choose the upscaler you prefer. I will go with this one. Select the free preview option. Since the animation from Vidu is only 4 seconds long, we get the whole video for free. Click on Enhance. It will take a minute or so before it's ready. Then download it. If we look at it now, we can see that there is a big watermark from TensorPix and a small one from Vidu. Now we are going to take care of that also. Go to VMake. Go to the Video Watermark Remover tool. As you can see, you get the first 5 seconds of the video for free, and since our video is shorter than that, it's perfect. Click to upload your video. You don't have to log in. It will take maybe a minute or so and it's ready. Download the 5-second preview video. And look, the watermarks are gone. Like magic. Now, you can go ahead and generate the rest of your animations. And remember, you can use VMake to remove watermarks from your Hailuo animations as well. Step 4. Here are the results of all the animations. The top row was created in Hailuo and the bottom row was generated with Vidu. I think they all turned out great. If any of your animations didn't turn out as expected, you can always try regenerating them with a different prompt to see if you get a better result. Now, let's find the right background music for our video. There are plenty of places to source music, but always check the license before downloading to ensure you're allowed to use it as needed. I went to Pixabay and clicked on Music and searched for background music. Under Content Type, I selected AI Generated Only. Let's listen. Take your time and choose a track that fits the mood of your video. I think I'll choose this one. If we open it in a new tab, we can clearly see that it's free for use under the Pixabay content license. I then download it to my computer. So now that we have all the animations and the background music, we're finally ready for the last step where we put it all together in a video editing software. I personally use the free CapCut version, but feel free to use whatever software you prefer. Step 5. Now, I'm going to show you how we can put the animated clips together in CapCut. Start by importing all your animations and music. Place the first animation on the timeline by clicking the plus sign on it. Since it's only 5 seconds long, we want to extend it. Click the plus sign again to place another copy of the animation on the timeline. Then we click this button to reverse the clip so it plays backwards. This makes the two clips play seamlessly. When using an AI generator, you usually only get 5 or 10 second long clips. And if you used Vidu, you may have only a 4-second long clip. An easy way to make them longer is to duplicate each clip and reverse every other one. It doesn't work for all animations, but for many, this is a great trick. Let's see how the transition between the two clips looks. Perfect. If you want a longer video, you can keep adding the same clips multiple times, reversing every other one, and you could have a really long video in the end. But for this demonstration, this length is enough. Let's add another animation to our video. Place your cursor at the end of the last clip on the timeline, and then click on the plus sign on the next animation to place it on the timeline. Click the plus sign again so that you get 2 copies of the same animation on the timeline. Now click on the reverse button to reverse the second clip. Continue this process for all animations you want to include in your video. When that is done, we may want to add a transition between the different animals. Let's look. Yes, I think it would be nice to have some kind of transition between them. Let's add a fade in and fade out between the animals. Click on the first animal clip that needs to fade out. Go to Animation and then Out. Click on Fade Out. You can experiment with other transitions if you prefer, but I like to keep it simple. After that, you click on the next clip on the timeline. This one needs a fade in, so switch over to In and choose Fade In. If we take a look now, we can see that the animations fade in and out smoothly. Continue adding fade in and fade out transitions between all the animals. I realize that the penguin animation doesn't work with the reverse trick because of the snow in the background. I don't want the snow moving in the wrong direction. To fix this, I deleted the reversed clip and slowed down the speed of the remaining clip slightly to prevent it from feeling too short. Now it's time to add music to our video. Place your cursor at the beginning of the timeline. Then click on the plus sign on the music you want to use. I then shorten it so it ends when the animations stop. You can add a fade in or fade out to the music for a smoother transition. And then we are done with our video. Super easy, right? Now, let's watch the final result. That wasn't so hard, was it? You've now mastered the process of making adorable animated animal videos, and it's your turn to bring your ideas to life. I can't wait to see your work. Drop a link in the comments and share your masterpiece. Remember, all it takes is a single image and animation to get started, so jump in and give it a go. You've got this. That's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future tips, tools, and tutorials. And remember, all it takes is one spark to change everything. See you in the next video.